Somebody's calling themselves a light worker, but they're bullying people online and they're full of like all this like self-absorbed aggression. That is not a light worker. Teachings that tell people to feel no fear. That is divine BS. That's absolute crap. Fear keeps us alive. Nobody should be without fear. That's sociopathic. It is divine BS. It's dangerous. And frankly, it's bullying. All of these weird memes and posts mocking people, belittling them, demeaning them for feeling fear because we're in a global crisis. That's natural and that's normal. There is nothing spiritual love and light about bullying people. And that was the biggest thing that I started noticing, is that there was a lot of arrogant ignorance and bullying. It is absolutely divine BS and very much against the golden rule to demand that people wake up. That is the opposite of love and light. Everybody wakes up if and when they're ready. It is never appropriate to try to force someone to awaken. I'm being like a little bit intense right now because it's really, really dishonorable, and it's getting into pretty dark territory. It's absolutely about respecting ourselves and respecting each other. And some people might not even be ready in this lifetime, and that's okay. They are exactly where they need to be. And that's something that as we proceed on the path, it really is ultimately getting to this place of compassion and understanding that everybody is actually doing the best they can. Now, some people may be in a state where they're a danger to others. And it's important to recognize, especially when they're in a spiritual teaching position, because ultimately what you'll end up hearing is promotion of ignorance instead of knowledge, self-indulgence, wish fulfillment. That's the whole prosperity gospel. I call it spam, status, power, attention, money. I don't think that's original. I think I saw that somewhere. Bogus self, our ego wants spam. We're basically programmed. It's a very capitalist thing, but divine BS tries to promote that as sacred. Influencers, particularly now, who are promoting this, and a certain number of them have sold out. It's their choice. Everybody gets to choose. But what they're promoting is not actually the spiritual path. It is the opposite. And nobody gets a fast track to enlightenment. Nobody gets to ascend because they're of a certain color or racial group or master race of interdimensional beings. The only way to continue to move up is to understand what love and light is about. Light is about being of light heart, right? It's about having the energy that's light. People mean well, most people who kind of fall off the path, like they're not trying to be difficult or harm anyone or whatever. They just get a little confused. And what happens is I think there's a fair amount of overcompensation. So people who are very insecure and have self-esteem problems go so far overboard with the self-affirmations that they end up being kind of arrogant and they're boasting and they're bragging. It kind of goes too far. Have a big slice of humble pie, have some integrity. The cornerstone is our integrity and our humility. Integrity is about honesty. It's about taking responsibility for our mistakes, treating people with respect, generosity, and kindness. And it's doing the right thing when no one's looking. That's also the teaching that's been a little bit confused. Talking about focusing on yourself doesn't mean that you're being given full permission to be a self-centered boob, right? It's about having the humility to deal with your own shit first. Follow the rule and look also to see if others are, right? Are they really coming from a place of earnestness and respect? Are they really trying to help as opposed to sell something or sound slick or what have you? At some point, everybody is going to fail their divine BS test. It's pretty much a normal thing. We all believe some silly things, right? Even people who aren't in spiritual path have superstitions and all sorts of beliefs. And that's fine. That's okay. It is absolutely okay to believe in like ridiculous things as long as you're not hurting anyone, as long as you're not forcing anyone else to believe, as long as it's not causing you distress, believe whatever you want.